What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. As you know, this channel is all about what you can sell on eBay, how you can part out cars and sell car parts to make money from your house. Today's video is going to be about something I usually don't sell on my eBay, but I think I will be able to make some good money off of this. I did take it home from my work because it is in very good condition and it seemed like a waste to throw it out. And the part that I have today is a dashboard from a 2018 to 21 BMW X3. This dashboard from BMW is around $2,600, so it is very expensive, and that's the reason I took it home. So I'm going to show it to you guys right now. All right, guys, so here is the dashboard. It's a pretty standard looking dashboard. Obviously, there's nothing really crazy about it. The reason I have this is the windshield was blown out from hitting a deer, and it has some scratches, and you can probably see all the specks of glass that are in it. So before I sell this, I'm going to have to clean this up really good to get rid of any of the glass on here. It's really not damaged, you know, barely at all. There's a little bit of a scratch here, and there's some marks from the front where the windshield hit it right here. But overall, there's no big rips, there's no tears, there's no, you know, nothing missing or anything. So that's why I took this dashboard home. Like I said, it's $2,600 dashboard for a, you know, a very expensive BMW X3, a new one. So I'm thinking that I could probably, you know, make quite a bit of money off of this. I don't know if I could make $1,000 off of it, but if I get anywhere close to that, that'd be pretty awesome. The biggest thing that's going to happen with this is that this is the box that it came in. That's the original box, and the box is huge. That's going to be the only downfall about this, which obviously if you're selling anything big is the biggest problem. The shipping is going to be expensive, but obviously if you watch any of my videos, I always charge for shipping. So I might put the shipping to $75 to maybe to $100 on this one because the box is so big. This was already shipped FedEx, so I think I'll be able to ship it FedEx also and not have to do freight. It's not, you know, a big heavy thing for freight shipping. But like I said, that's the worst part about this is the shipping. When you guys are asking about what to sell on eBay and, you know, what kind of parts to sell, you know, you might be able to sell some dashboards. The biggest reason for this and people want these is because the passenger airbag goes right here. So if they're in front crashes, this will be blown out and you have to replace the dashboard, which obviously people get in accidents an awful lot. So even with some scratches on this dashboard, like very minor, if someone is fixing up one of these X3s that blew out the airbags, they will be thinking about buying this dashboard because there's nothing wrong with this compared to theirs. That's the biggest takeaway about selling dashboards, is that if it doesn't have an airbag blown out of it, it's perfectly good. So like I said, you guys are always asking, you know, what to sell, what to look for, what you can make money off of. Dashboards can make you some money depending on what they are. I also have the dashboard from my parts car, my Mercedes parts car that I had. I have not listed that on eBay. I need to get a pretty good sized box for that one. So I do have this BMW one and that Mercedes one that I should sell pretty soon. Now that I made this video about this dashboard, I'm going to put it on eBay, you know, probably within the next week or so. I'm probably going to ask right around $1,000. I haven't really looked up what they go for if anybody else has sold one, but I'll probably ask for right around $1,000. I think that's a pretty fair price for being half of what a new one is. And we will just see if it sells or not. Something like this I don't sell too much of, so it's one of those guessing games. If there's not too much on eBay right now, it's hard to judge, but I think $1,000 is pretty fair. I will obviously update you guys either in a monthly update on what I sell or in another video altogether when this does sell. The other thing besides shipping being a problem is storing this. I'm lucky that I've made some space. I have some space in my garage right now where I can store this out of the way, but obviously it's a big item, it's a big box. So you always got to be sure you can store these, you know, and it's not in your way at your house, because obviously I don't have a warehouse. That's about it. Any questions or comments, let me know. I will see you next time.